New Zealand meets Eddie the Bear. What a great tour today. I don't understand anything about the American market, but after today's tour, I certainly do. If you want help, come and see Eddie.
Alright, so today we went on the bus trip. It was like a little safari adventure, but we had fun, we enjoyed it. We went through a lot of different REO properties, went through the repair values, what to offer, how to calculate what our lowest and our highest offer price should be and where we need to be at in those ranges. So learned a lot today, met a lot of great people, and had a lot of fun.
I don't know about the hugging part. You can record all this. I don't. This guy, he's the best.
All right, go
giving
ahead.
an inspirational speech. Matthew's very good. I feel. Oh, you want to see Eddie?
Yeah.
This is a representation of Eddie, the mentor bear, the real man standing behind the camera. If you ever feel intimidated or insecure, Eddie's the man to help you out. He can tell you how to get it done, and if you're not sure, he'll tell you how to do it anyway, and get it all the way through to the end. I have a lot of confidence in Eddie. I learned a lot today. I enjoyed being with him. He's very fun. I feel like I'm compelled to learn Spanish now too. Matthew.
Yes, I got a chance to hang with the mentor bear. Okay, be sure you make it to the next bus tour. Okay, you got to be there because this is hands-on experience where you actually walk through the properties and learn how to estimate repairs. So if you're serious about real estate, make sure you're there next time.
What did you learn today?
Awesome. Well, especially the repairs, estimating the repairs. You got to know your numbers. MAO use that every time. So as you do it so many times, then it becomes more easier. And so definitely, it's important that you're there next time. But come to these events. I mean, there's a lot of stuff we learn. A lot of stuff. Each properties are different, so the numbers are different to them. You have to learn the different properties as far as frame properties or stucco or concrete block. You need to know all these stuff and learning your areas. So it's important when you hang around with your mentors, people that has done it, especially Eddie, 19 years experience in the business. So be there with the
Square.
Today.
It was great. I met a lot of great and very interesting people. Investors are very interesting people. But today we learned, Edison showed us many opportunities to see how it's really done in the field. I like that. I like to see how people do things. And little Teddy came along with us to see what we're doing, and we all had fun. It was great.
Go ahead. How was the bus trip?
It was a great trip, man. I learned a lot today. Edison and the other guys showed us how to estimate repair costs on properties. It was cool. They told us, how much it costs to replace a kitchen, to fix a roof. It was a lot of helpful information, and I learned a lot. I enjoyed it. We looked at bank-owned properties, REOs, and I had a great time and got a lot of useful information from it.
So you know how much to offer?
Yeah, now I know how much to offer. They showed me the formulas, how much, the after repair value, how much I got offered, 60%, depends on the neighborhood. So it's going to help me a lot now that I'm investing. Thanks.